Okay, guys, here's the screencast for Thursday the 1st in English 9. We started class today by talking about the assignment sheet for next week and just the next couple weeks in class. Just trying to clear things up. The assignment sheet for next week's posted here. Assignment sheet number 7. We talked through Amnesty Day, which we can, if you want to ask me about it next week, it's kind of a lot for a screencast, but it's basically your opportunity next Wednesday morning to make one assignment go away or get your late points back on an assignment or something along those lines. It'll be Wednesday morning, sometime between 7 and 8 is when you'll have that assignment posted your way. Besides that, we talked about To Kill a Mockingbird. If you scroll down to the Mockingbird section, there's a reading quiz that's located right here. And we talked about chapters 4 and 5, which are the ones you're supposed to have read for today. So that's where we are at. For tomorrow, it's reading time. With preparation for Monday's discussion, which will be over chapters 6 through 8 in To Kill a Mockingbird. Sorry you couldn't join us. Have a great rest of your day.